Hello. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. We are having insight about Panini Ashtadhiyayi Sthapatya. Panini Ashtadhiyayi Sthapatya is a very specific format, and for it we have to avail Sankhya Yoga, means Yoga is Sankhya and Sankhya is Yoga. Sankhya is Yoga. Sankhya is 15 plus 5. Yoga is 8 plus 4. This is 20. This is 12. Total is 32. And we are having precisely 8 chapters of 4 padas each, making it a Panini Ashtadhiyayi scripture as a scripture of 32 parts. And we know that the scriptures are organized as Sthapatya. So let us see how the Vedic knowledge, which has a specific feature that the first component or first sutra here is to be the source. The entire knowledge, entire organization is to follow from the first sutra itself, and first sutra is to unfold from its first letter itself. The first letter is Va, it is TC value 7, and it is H7, it is D7, it is small h7. These all features follow of its own. This that way will help us that H is small h2. Now this way we can see that we are having a large number of features which will follow, and 7 as 7 space is a pole star. It is the origin of 7 space. It's the origin of 6 space. 7 space is origin of 6 space. Further, we know that if we are having a grid 7 cross 7, then we will reach here in this way, and the diagonal will give different roles for 7 space. 7 space as dimension, 7 space as boundary, 7 space as domain, 7 space as origin, 7 space as base, 7 space as format, and 7 space as a unity state. Seven cross 7, 49 are Marutganas, and it is transcending 6x8 grid. This is the first triple digit number of 7 place value system, plus it is having a in 10 place value is 49. So 49 and 51 domain and dimension will give us a further lead with 51 is equal to 17, 17 and 17. Like that, you see many things have followed, many things more will follow. But before that, let us now have a visit to the complete sutra. Complete sutra is Vridhi Radach. This is having translation into numbers as 7, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8, and 2. These are 10 in number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Now see, the total here is 47. And 47 as dimension leads to 49 as a domain. Further, the gap here is 7 minus 4 is 3. It is 3. 4 minus 6 is 2. 6 minus 7 is 1. Here it is 5. Here is 1. Here again is 1. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 2. And here the difference is 6. See the summation value 3, 5, 6, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, and 25. See, it is Vishnu. It is Buddhi. It is Dukh. It is Prithvi. And also it is step ahead of 4-6 grid of 5 place value system. 25 is the first triple digit number, and here are 24 double digit numbers plus 25 transcending ahead. Total make it 49. These features, as these are very valuable features, and these deserve to be observed properly in the context of Gita. So in the context of Gita, see that the sum of values of Vridhi Adach is 47. It is chapter 1 of Gita. Then the difference we have seen is 25. It makes total 72, and this is chapter 2. The second chapter of Gita is having 72 shlokas, and gap here is 25. This way, these features, when are extended further, when are chased ahead, these will lead us to as that Vridhi Adach as 7, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8, and 2. See, the gap here is that 5 and 6 numbers are absent. Value is 11. Here 5, so 11, and then plus 5 here up till is 6. Here there is no gap. Here the gap is of 6, 5, 4, and 3. It is 18. total becomes 34. Here there is no gap, here is no gap. Here the gap is 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is 18. So total becomes 52. Here the gap is 7. It is 59. Here gap is 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. It is 25. So if we proceed 11, 5, then we are with 6, 5, 4 and 3, 18. Then here is 3, 4 and 5. Here the gap is 9. It will make 43. Plus 7 is 50. Plus 75 is 75. This gap this way is to be appreciated, as we have to sequentially proceed. The first gap as 25 was of a reach from 22, and this value 75 will take to 78. So in this orientation and in this orientation, there is a difference. It is this difference which is to be appreciated. And once we will be appreciating this, then we will be reaching at these features. Now, further we can see that if we are having the values 7, then its factors are 9. 4, its factors are 5. Then it is again 7, factors are 9. Then it is 2, the factors are 2. Then it is 3, the factors are 3. Then 2, the factors are 2. Then 6, factors are 8. Then 8, the factors are 12. Then 2, the factors are 2. When we say like this, 9 means when we have numbers 1 to 7, their factors will be this much. Numbers 1 to 4 will give this much number of factors, and like that. So see the progression: 9, 14, 23, 25, 28, 30, 38, 50, and 52. And see, 52 is D15, 15, 13, 13 and 11. This reach, when is approached for the gaps, here the gaps is of 6 and 5. 6 has 8 factors, while 5 has 6 factors. The gap here that way initially is 14 factors. Here it is again 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 again will lead 14 factors here. This reach is to be approached accordingly. Now let us recapture that when we are having a formulation Vriddharadach, there are 10 letters, there are 9 gaps. Then we know that these numbers 7, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8 and 2. It gives us a summation value 47. Then we can reach at the gaps 5 and 6, 5